Okay, y'all, so I got some pre-made dumplings. I'm going to do the dumpling challenge. I got, let me see, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven made. So I'm going to see how many I can eat up until a minute. So here we go. Okay, y'all see it? Minute up. I didn't go off. I guess my nephew's thing was on silent. So that was only two and a half I ate. And maybe because I pre-made them so they were like more crunchy instead of soft, but whatever. In the meantime, I'm gonna finish this and show y'all my freezer. Show y'all my watermelon ball. So here's the freezer. The watermelon bowl down there. Oh, wow, a humidifier trunk. I should see how long it take me to eat that chunk. Paper plate. I don't know why it's kind of like hard because I think from the water from the top of the humidifier, it be getting on top of it, spilling on top of it. So, okay, let's see. Mm-hmm. So that top layer is kind of a little hard. I can deal with it. And tonight on live, I'm gonna do the watermelon. Well,